Yeah, Devontae Legend. You know, just letting y'all know how it is with the real world. You know, some teachers don't really help you like you think. You know, but I met some teachers that helped me. You know, and I appreciate it. Yeah, Mr. Robinson, Mr. Prez, it's for you. It's for you. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Robinson, Mr. Prince. Thanks for helping me so long. Thanks for giving me the knowledge I need, being respectful. Thanks for trying to give me an education at least. But I thought I was going to have an education at least. But thanks anyway for trying. Thanks for being for real men. Real man, Mr. Prince, Mr. Robinson, you're real men. You've been real all your life. I love that. Thanks for respecting me. And thanks for giving me respect. That's why I give you respect. That's what we're like back in the day. Sitting in the porch having some beers with a K. I'm for real. But not the KKK, but I mean the K. Just the, not the Ku Klux Klan K. You know what I mean. But I'm just saying, thanks for being cool and smooth. Thanks for being there, Mr. Rollins, Mr. Press. I salute you. I'm for real. I salute you to you every day. I will never forgive up what you did for me. I'll never forget. I'll always hold in my heart what you ever did and said for me. I will never forget. You treated me right, not treated me wrong. Thanks for treating me right. Because sometimes there's no such thing as people who treat you right anymore. There's no real people in the world anymore. It's only fakes. But y'all not fake. Y'all do what's true. Y'all do what's right. Y'all do what comes to the heart. That's why I love y'all. That's right. I respect y'all. I do that. I'm for real with that. Mr. Robinson, I'm for real. I respect you for that. And you, P. Mr. Prez, I respect you so bad, man. You don't even want to know. I respect you. If you was gonna die in the night, I wouldn't let that happen. I'll be shooting niggas for you all night. Kill them all for you. Won't let them hurt you both. I'll kill them all for you. I'm just saying, not a joke. That's how much respect for y'all I got. I'll kill anybody for y'all if they hurt you. I'm for real with that. If they took you, if they killed you, I wouldn't allow it. They will be dying, not you. You be in your sleep in the bed, smooth. Because I wouldn't let nothing happen to you. That's how much respect I got you. I got you. Trust, respect, and loyalty. Remember that, Mr. Prez? That's in the street. I'm for real. That's what you got too, Mr. Prez. Teach your government class, do what you do, be real, follow your dream. I'm for real with this too. Mr. Robinson, you do the same, do your scientifics. I'm for real, man. One day you might find a Pacific, you might find something secretly below the Pacific and get your reward for being a good scientist. Mr. Press, you know, show them law. One day they might beat the police when they trying to break the law. And you know how it is, not the bad way. I mean the police breaking the law on you. Because you gotta remember, police don't follow the rights. Sometimes you gotta know a lot of law shit. That's right. Oops, I'm sorry for cussing. That's my bad. I wasn't trying to cuss. Sorry, that's my oops. Just excuse that. But anyway it go, just saying the truth. You better learn this shit. I'm for real with this too. Better learn science. You better learn Mr. First Class Government. You better learn these two classes. You better watch it. Because the police gonna try to take us down. For real, people like us, I mean right now, if you know some government class, then you know half a law. So basically, you got skills in law. So basically, if you kill somebody and use law, then you can't get caught. I'm for real with this law. Because sometimes police want to take us both down. So you might as well take them down. I'm for real with this now. Make them look stupid. Make them look pitiful. Make them cry. Make them wish they never did something to you wrong to you now. But then, you know, science class. Beat the scientific boys. I'm for real with this. Because people act like they got smarter than you. They think they're smarter than anybody. Nah, show them that they got some things to work on too. For real with that. Don't give up on this. This is Devontae Legend. Mr. Ron, Mr. Prez. Deuces. Deuces. I love y'all both. Both.